Hi there. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to turn wood without a lathe. You can also read the full in-depth blog post by going to the link below. We welcome you to Home Tools Pro. So, how to turn wood without a lathe. Wood turning is a fantastic hobby and one that can be very rewarding. However, it can also be quite expensive to get started. If you're looking to save some money or just don't have the space for a lathe, there are still ways that you can turn wood without one. Here are a few tips on how to turn wood without a lathe. In the full blog post, we have done hours of research, and divided the topic into the following subtopics. Number 1. Use a drill. Number 2. Use a table saw. Number 3. Use a jigsaw. Number 4. Use a handheld router. Number 5. Use a bandsaw. Number 6. 5 steps process. So, there you go. We go into much detail in our blog post about the above topic. The blog article is more than 1,500 words. And we dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside.